Hello guys. Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Hope you're live as well. We are watching and observing the charts on Bitcoin. I hope you guys can hear me, which is that's the most important thing. Yeah, I think so. Everything. I think everything is fine now. For now, it should be. It should be fine. I didn't get the notification on my phone for if we're live or not yet. Maybe just taking some time because I have to get notification now. I should get a notification that if I am live or not. Yep, should be fine. Yep, yeah, everything is fine. We'll go to the technical analysis on a chart. Uh, this is 5 minute time frame chart, by the way. I wanted to go to 1 minute time frame because I have initial anticipation on charts. We have these lows on charts that could be the reason for the market to be bearish. These lows, and overall we are already going down. We have seen aggressive downward side price action late in the night. This green line is a 4 hour time frame free value gap low. Market has shown rejection twice from this range. I'm anticipating these lows to be knocked off, or maybe it could go to 50% of this daily fair value gap as well. This pink area is a weekly fair value gap high on charts. So this is what it is I'm looking for the bearish case scenario. For the bullish case scenario, maybe market could hold this area, maybe come down, hold this daily fair value gap high, then from here bounce toward upper side to knock. We can anticipate all of those highs as well, is the reason for the market to be bullish as well from here. So quite a bit of possibilities that may play it out. Possible, maybe from here market go toward upper side, possible maybe come down to this range, hold this area, then be bullish, then go toward upper side from here. Maybe it is possible that it could go, maybe just knock this high, maybe did not knock this high from here, create low high, then go down for these lows, this area, hold this area, or maybe knocking all of those lows. So quite a bit of possibilities that may play it out. So maybe for bullish case scenario, could be aggressively bullish from here, could go down, just knock this low, then be bullish, could go down, hold this area, then be bullish. Or for the bearish case scenario, maybe aggressively bearish, possible, could go up, show rejection from this range, then go down, could go up, knock this high, then go down, could go up all the way toward upper side, knock all of those highs, and the 50% of this 4 hour time frame gap in here, then show rejection, then go down as well. So quite a bit of possibilities we can say that may play it out on charts at any point. So that's why this is not an ideal trading day. I would say that this is not an ideal trading environment right now on charts. We have seen a quite aggressive price action from the downward side late in the night. We will discuss that as well on bigger picture time frame. But on shorter term time frame, like if you just watch chart, we have all of those highs. That could be the reason for the market to be bullish. We have all of those lows. That could be the reason for the market to be bearish as well from here. Let's see how market will perform, which way market will go from here. We will try to understand that in these charts. So we don't know yet. This just at this point market open at 9:30 roundabout. It created these fairly gaps. I was like, these highs are very close to each other. Let's see market just tap into this fairly gap and then go toward upper side to knock all of those highs. It failed to go to do that. It failed to do that, and then it come down. This was the fairly gap. It come down from here toward low levels. It was holding this weekly. At this point, while it was going down, this was quite aggressive. I was like, overall market is bullish. It did not went toward upper side from here. Overall market is bearish. Like market has aggressively gone down yesterday. we have all of those lows. That is the reason for the market to be bearish. From here, I wanted to say possible that it could be aggressively bearish to the daily 50% of the range, maybe for those lows as well. I was thinking about that. And then at some point I was like, bro, if it has to do this, this is the fairly gap. It should have to keep it open or just tap into that, then aggressively go down. It was spending too much time at this range. I was like, no, this is not what is what market really wants to do at this point. If we are watching and observing the charts, and yep, market has done nothing. Still, again, we have seen that this is the again rejection from the 4 out of fairly gap from the charts. Let's see. This point market has a potential to come down to knock these lows, knock those lows, knock those lows as well on charts. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. And we can say that 50% of the range as well. It could go to 50% of the range as well for the bearish case scenario I am talking about. For the bullish case scenario, maybe it could hold this area, then be bullish. Could come down, hold this area, then try to be bullish as well, all the way to the upper side. Quite a bit of possibilities we can anticipate or predict from the charts that may play out. So that's how it is. We're watching and observing the charts right now. Just keeping an eye on charts. This is more of like shorter term time frame. I've just explained to you like may quite a bit of possibilities that may play out. And just if you go to just bigger picture time frame, daily time frame, or we'll start with the daily time frame. I would say that technically speaking, we will do our analysis. I will give you my review in the end as well. What I think will play out, could play out on charts. I don't know. Let me do one thing, man. I forgot to yeah, I forgot to do that. Most of the time, I forgot to do that. We will do our analysis on charts, everything, and in the end, I will give you my personal view on charts as well, like what I think it could do as well. So to give yourself a anticipation or prediction on charts, if you can say like that. So daily time frame, we have seen that there was market was trading at this range. Like if you watch out, this was a quite choppy zone. This was a quite choppy zone. After this new all-time high, this was a quite choppy zone. I was anticipating already this week a choppy price action. Throughout the week, market remained very choppy, very sideways, very choppy. This is two weeks market spent at this range. And you don't know at this point market would continue to be bullish or make a retest and then be bullish. Same thing yesterday we was discussing as well on charts. I forgot to at this point I remember same thing at in the morning session we was watching this for a second as well at this range. Just consider this range. We'll go from here. I don't know, but we are watching and observing the charts. But overall, I would say that this range I'm bullish, quite bullish, looking for the market to go toward upper side on charts. We could spend quite a bit of time at this range from charts. And if you go to 4 hour time frame right now from here, uh, this is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap market has created. Right now, showing rejection from this. Look at this, it is going down. It is going down, man, from here. Let's see if it has a potential to knock those lows. And then we will anticipate this area as well. 113,600 to come down all the way to come down all the way to that range. So yeah, these are the things we I am watching and observing on a chart right now. 4 hour time frame. This is a 4 hour time frame gap market has created. If we watch out right now, like the way market has come down from this range to late in the night toward low levels, which is quite like you can't trade that. It is so difficult to trade this. So difficult to trade this. If you are insider, you know the news or maybe something, you can, but it is difficult to trade because at this range, yesterday it was trading at this range. I was anticipating certain price action. Maybe it could go to the upper side, just knock this high, get it low high, left those highs to be not to be knocked off, then go down for all of those lows to this weekly fairly gap. Or I was like, it is possible that I was not really confident on these two highs as well. I was like, it could go all the way to the upper side. When everyone will be bullish, it will knock these two highs. When everyone will be looking for all-time high, then the market will come down all the way toward the low levels. This kind of projection is also possible on charts. These are the two anticipation I was watching and observing while the market. I was watching and observing on charts while market was trading at this range. This is the possibility also come into my mind. Going down from here straight away toward the low levels, it was also in my mind like it is also possible that from here market went down. While it was trading very close to those highs, I was like, bro, these highs I'm not this one it comes into my mind that it could roll down from here toward low levels, but I was like, bro, these highs are very close to each other. It is trading definitely for a big move to downside should have to at least knock these highs, then go down. Then you can say that it could go down. I was like, it is unlikely that market could roll down from here toward low levels. But we have seen that it went down and down and down all the way toward low levels from here. We can't do anything about that. We have to just watch, observe, sit still on charts. Yeah, we can't do anything. So yeah, that's how it is. It is performing right now on a bigger picture. Um, Definitely we what we can do is like do we have to sit still. I don't think so. And I would say that yeah, we have done our analysis on charts. Now I will give you my personal opinion on charts that which way market could go from here actually, or what kind of price action we anticipate from charts right now. Okay, the first thing I would consider is the element of time. The element of time is today's Friday. We have no news on the charts today. This is the last month of July going on, last week of July going on. From the next week, we will have a quite bunch of news on charts. Monday have no news, Tuesday have news, non-farm employment claims, FOMC statement. Wednesday we have a bunch of big news. Friday we have a bunch of big news as well on charts coming up. So next week is the more of like we'll see aggressive volatility on charts, uh, big downside price action, upward side price action move. We can anticipate that. And overall, this month has been bullish, quite bullish on charts. If you can watch out the monthly candle, in that case scenario, this is the last week going on, so we can anticipate more of like downside pullback, a bearish price action from the market this week. And we have seen that this week market has been failed to knock the previous all-time high, come down into this weekly fair value gap as well. Daily time frame as well, we can anticipate a downside price action, and it went down. Weekly, we have been closing more of like bearish right now on charts. And as the other thing is like more of like market has already given us a quite a big move on charts toward downward side. This is a quite aggressive price action. We have seen that, or that toward downward side, a quite a big move from all the way to 119 all the way to 115 approximately. Quite a big move market has given us all the way toward downward side. So we can anticipate in one session, it was 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the New York time, to all the way to 1 a.m. or was 12 o'clock in the New York time. Like in maybe in afternoon session or London session, you can say that if we try to do this, we will get to know more. Yeah, this was more of like afternoon session, and then Asian session. London session was more of like that, and Asian session market went down toward lower. So the thing I really wanted to discuss is like I believe so like